Okay, it's like 2 a.m. Let's make some cookies. I've never really done this before, but I have this thing as a gift. So we're going to muddle with it and see if we can make cookies instead of muffins. So it said to whip like butter, 4th cup of butter, an egg, and then milk. I don't have regular milk, so we're gonna do almond milk and see how it goes. And also, I know that like baking is supposed to be kind of like, I don't know, more specific and scientific. So I'm taking some risk, but like, who cares? Also, this is like exactly a 4th of milk. Amazing. Boop. I have no idea what I'm doing. Someone save me. Whip my head back and forth. Whip my head back and forth. Okay, so then apparently I put in the rest of this mixture, but first I want to see if they have some vanilla extract. I'm gonna add that in. Oh my god, the problem was which one to choose. So we're gonna do both. Just kidding, only one was open. Gotcha! Also, hopefully that wasn't too much because I wasn't really paying attention. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Making a mess, making a mess, making a mess. Doing this one-handed is annoying. Oh my god, wait. Was this supposed to already have chocolate chips in it? Oh my god, did I have to protect the chocolate? Oh! I'm gonna see if they have something. Oh. Found some, yes. Just freaking, order it. It's supposed to make 6 muffins, so like, how many cookies? I'm just gonna put like, just a few extra, yeah. Perfect, that's all I need, Then we'll just not over stir, just to mixed, right? All right. I've never done this by myself before. It's fun. I think it's fun. That's kind of what I got, and I'm gonna go with that, see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to take little blobs and put it on this baking sheet, these things are pretty cool. I looked up, it can go up to like 480 degrees, like in an oven. This thing is awesome. Anyway, it's nice and clean. I know it looks stained, but it is clean, I promise. And just to be sure, I cleaned it, because I'm a little paranoid. Okay, this technique, be careful who you show it to. Okay, this is expert technique. Don't try this at home. Bam. Okay. Be careful who you show this to. This is also a super secret layout. You put, just kind of 9 down and then a wonky 10th there. And you want each one to be a different size. For uniqueness, okay? Individual snowflake cookies. Oh, jeez. I get to lick these. Yum. Maybe. Should I? If I do or not, you'll never know. Okay, now these are gonna go in at 250 for, I don't know, till I think they look nice and golden brown. I'll get back to you. I suppose that is that. So you will. Okay. Let's see how we're doing in there. Ooh. They've grown. Cool. Cleaned up, so I'm just waiting now. haircut, man. I'm nervous, so I keep checking. But nothing's really changing. I'm just so paranoid. I'm just sitting here, waiting, watching a YouTube video. And saying hi, checking in. I don't want you to get too lonely. It's about to happen. Ooh. Oh. I don't know if you can see, but like on the edges, it's starting to get a little golden. All right, cool. Maybe that one's a smaller one. Let's give it another few minutes. In the meantime, what are some kind of videos that you would like to watch? Let me know down below. I'm curious. I want to expand my repertoire, my response, my experience, my range, my everything. I want more. I'm a selfish man. Deal with it. Anyway, yeah, I'm interested. Me, I like gaming challenges. I like watching those. I like doing those, actually. I do some of those sometimes, but yeah, more so I like watching them. There's one guy that I really like, Mitten Squad. He passed away recently. He was man, like an OG. He was awesome. Loved his stuff, but he was battling alcoholism and so I don't know the specifics, obviously, but he passed away recently. He was awesome. So rest in peace, man. Your legacy lives on, bro. And now I'm just hungry for cookies, so like, come on, let's go. You're kidding me? I forgot to put away the skizzards. Okay, timer went off. We're gonna check again. It's looking pretty good. Everyone, I can see golden on them now. Maybe. Alright, I'm gonna like flip it. I don't know if that's like okay in baking. I'm just gonna try it and then keeping it there for like 1 more minute, and then I'm gonna take them out and let them just cool and continue baking on the sheet for a little bit. But I also just realized I don't know where the freaking those don't even open. Where is the? Found it. Okay, here we go. This stuff. Oh god, no, actually I need 2 hands. Dang it. Okay, I did it. Just a minute more. Okay, I lied. We did 2 minutes. Let's see how they are. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's lay those puppies right there and let them sit and cool for like 15 minutes. Bam. Get a little bit here. Ooh. See how that. Okay. I think it will work out, y'all. Oh, it looks so freaking good. I want to eat one right now, but they're so hot. They burn my fingies and they will burn the top of my mouth. Patience. Oh my god, I think it's time. Yes. It is time. That crunch, the softness. I wish I had undercooked them just a little bit more. But, you taste the vanilla extract in there. Chocolate chips are a great choice. Dark chocolate. Sweet. Love it. Fantastic.